Hello friends, I am Professor Asole SR from Kikewa College Chanduri. Today we are seeing that the cost and work accounting special paper second on TYBCom class. The chapter is chapter 3rd, accounting of overhead part second. We are also studied that the chapter number second, accounting of overheads part first. In this chapter we are studied that the direct labor hour rate and machine hour rate. The process of apportioning the total overhead expenses of production department among the units of produced in the department term as a overhead absorption. In other words, absorption of overhead expenses refers to a systematic process of distributing the overhead among the units produced by production department. Overhead absorption is also called as overhead application, overhead recovery, levy of overhead, overhead costing, etc. After apportionment and reapportionment of overhead to production department, these can now be charged to cost unit. The procedure is to take each production department and distribute its overhead among all cost unit passing through that particular department. This is technically known as absorption. It is the ICMA UK says that it is the allotment of overhead cost to cost unit. The Institute of Cost and Work Accountant India, it is the allotment of overhead to cost unit by means rate separately calculate for each cost center. After studying the method of allocation and apportionment of overhead cost of cost center, the next step is accounting of overhead is absorption of overhead. In the cost of production, that is recovery of overhead. In the cost of production, all jobs, processes, or services pass through one or more producing cost center. The overhead expenses are ultimately charged to cost center in such a manner that the cost of production of each unit include an appropriate equitable share of overhead of the cost center. This method of apportion of overhead expenses of the cost center to cost unit called as the absorption of overhead. This is also known as application, levy, or recovery of overhead. In this chapter we have studied that the first one, direct labor hour rate method. This is also referred to the production hour rate method. This method is adopted in those industries where labor is prominent, that is the labor intensive industry. Labor hour rate is calculated for the each category of workers. The expenses incurred other than wages paid to worker on each category of workers are listed and total for the certain period. The amount is divided by the number of hours put in the value of direct workers during the period to get the rate. The following formula. In this formula, direct labor hour rate, how to calculate the factory overhead divided by direct labor hour during a period. Effective working hour can be calculated by the effective working hour is equal to number of average worker employed during the period multiplied by number of hours for which is factory works during each day. In this direct labor hour advantages, the number first is the rate takes into the accounts the time factor. It is suitable when most of the work is done by labor. It is not affected by the method of wage payment or the grade or rate of pay of the workers. Disadvantages of this direct labor rate, it is not take into account factor of production other than labor. This may lead to faulty distribution of overhead to product. Many concerns do not maintain any record of time taken on job when payment is not related to the time taken for production. The next one method is machine hour rate. Machine hour rate, the method of absorption is followed in those industries where work is performed predominantly on machines, that is a capital intensive industry. The hourly machine rate is calculated department wise. A single machine rate is unsuitable because different types of machines may be used in various producing department. In a department, more than one rate may be computed. A separate rate is calculated for each machine or a group of machines constitutes a cost center for the purpose of absorption of overhead expenses. The machine hour rate is calculated by the overhead cost performing to the machine cost center. According to the ICMA England, machine hour rate is actual or predetermined rate of cost appropriate or overhead absorption which is calculated by dividing the cost to be appropriation or absorbed by the number of hours for which a machine or machines are operated or expected to be operated. There are two ways of calculating the machine hour rate. As per the first method, only indirect expenses, direct or immediately connected with the operations of the machines, are taken into account. For example given, power, depreciation, repairs, maintenance, insurance, etc. The rate is calculated by dividing the total of these expenses by number of operating hours of the machines during a stipulated period. In addition to the above expenses, is to be there may be still other manufacturing expenses such as supervision charges, shop cleaning and lighting charges. In this, when computation the machine hour rate, two things more important. That is the number first is standing charges. These are the fixed expenses which remain constant. They do not vary with the use of machines. These expenses include like a rent, rates, supervision charges, etc. The standing charges are estimated for a given period for every machine. The estimated expenses divided by total working hours of the period will give an hourly rate of the standing charges. Machine expenses, these are variable expenses which vary with the use of machine. These expenses include power, depreciation, repairs, etc. The amount of which expenses is divided by the normal working hours to give hourly rate of each item. Normal working hours are calculated by the into the accounts idle time for the maintenance, setting up, etc. The sum of standing charges rate and the machine expenses rate will give a machine hour rate. All these things is most important in this chapter. The accounting of overhead per second in direct labor hour, also machine hour rate. The practical problem indicate 10 marks. Machine hour rate is very simple problems and getting a out of 10 marks. So please solve this problem, be carefully. Thank you all of you.